I got some custom lip gloss from Balaojcosmetics. I'm about to apply it right now because you can't forget the gloss. Ooh, when you got that peppermint kick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tessa, or Tesa on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's where I give up all the important deets, keep you guys updated. You can also check out my Twitter, my Facebook, my TikTok, any of those things, but mainly yeah, I don't know. Honestly, it depends. It depends on the day. Today, I have a very fun tutorial for you guys. I have this Smokey halo gold black smoky eye thing going on, along with my nails. If you guys can't tell, I did these. And let me show you. These are the color, the gray color that I swatched in my other video. So let's see if it focuses. Focus. Bang taki. I'm doing my nails, and then inspired from my nails, I did an eye look that I feel like matches the mood and the vibe. I really do hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to make it pretty simple, concise, not too confusing at all to follow. So hopefully it's helpful to you guys. Turn on your captions. If you guys really like these videos, like nails, makeup, hair, stuff like that, with like, you know, including the nails, let me know because I'll make more of those. Say the word and I will do it. Y'all ask, I please. Like always, make sure you go ahead and check out all the links down below. All the information is going to be there. All my links, all my websites, all the information to everything is going to be down there. Again, make sure you're following me. Make sure you guys keep in touch and stay tuned. Turn on that bell notification, please, you guys. Please turn on that bell notification and make sure your notifications for your overall YouTube app is on. Thank you so much. We're so close to 3,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm like thinking like what to do for 3,000 subscribers. I don't know, I'm excited. But thank you so much if you've ever referred someone to my channel, if you've ever shared my video at all, if you've ever reposted anything of mine. Thank you so much. It's really helpful, and I just love you guys so much for supporting me. You guys don't have like any idea how much of a difference it makes, because if you've ever tried YouTube, if you've ever done YouTube, if you've ever like did anything artistic or creative wise, you understand the difficulties of like getting that support. So thank you so much for tuning in every time I drop a video. Thank you so much if you're one of those people who drops a comment every single time. Thank you so much. That's really amazing that you guys do that for me. Also, I'm like trying to like find new YouTubers, so if you guys have any YouTubers that you like, definitely let me know. And you know, maybe we'll reach out to them. Like, I don't know, you know, like who knows, I need friends.
Never really saw you coming until you turned me around. I used to think I was nothing until you turned me around. Until you turned me around. I used to think I was nothing until you turned me around.
I got some custom lip gloss from Balaojcosmetics. I'm about to apply it right now because you can't forget the gloss. Ooh, when they got that peppermint kick. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye. Mwah. Go ahead and watch this one, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Touch this right here. Do it now.